Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on that link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $250 plus over and over again watching short videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the method, guys, I just want to say, let's keep pushing my videos out there, and because we're so close to 6,000. We're like 30 to 40 subscribers away. So let's get there in one day. So guys, this is all I want you to do, guys. Share this video everywhere. Every last one of you guys that's watched this video, share it everywhere. Let's get at least 30 subscribers in one day. So let's make this video go viral, because I'm ready to give away this free money. This money is itching my hand. I'm ready to give away to 3 subscribers. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is PrizeDR. So this is the website you're going to use to watch short videos, and you're going to earn some good money doing this. Now, it says here, looking for free gift cards. We've got you covered. Welcome to PrizeDR. PrizeDR allows you to earn free gift cards and rewards by completing the daily activities you already do. Play games, download apps, complete surveys, and earn your favorite rewards for free. And this is how you start. You just put in your email and click Start Earning. And as you can see here, you can earn PayPal money or iTunes gift card or Google Play gift card. Now, they have offer walls. So if you want to just do the offer walls, it's up to you guys. But if you want to do the offer walls and watch videos, you can do that. That'll maximize your money on this site. Now, here are the video ads right here. So with the videos, you're going to be watching ads. So advertisers going to have ads, video ads for you to watch. And then if you want to do some surveys, you can do surveys to get paid, and they have daily giveaways. Now let's just look at a testimony here. So Crystal Grant, she says, first of all, she gives it 5 stars. And then she says, PrizeDR is the best site out there. They are the only ones that deliver. I do not have to pay a single dime. Want free stuff that you actually want? You have to check out PrizeDR. So this person is very satisfied with this site. Very. As you can see here, they have more than just PayPal money. Now, if you want to get free gift cards, you can get Amazon gift cards, Robux, Spotify, Netflix, PlayStation, Xbox, Twitch, Uber Eats, Walmart, GameStop. So they got a lot to offer on this website, guys. Once you earn enough points to cash that in to get your gift cards or your money. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account, and I want to show you the video ads that you're going to be checking out, and I'll show you all the other things you can do on this website too. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So once you log in, you're going to see all this at the top. So you can choose any one of these and get started. So if you want to just go ahead and earn points, you just click on earn points, and as you can see here are the offers. So if you want to do the offers, and they got surveys. Now, as I said before, we're talking about video, so let me go ahead and show you the videos that you're going to be checking out and making money with. Okay, I'm at the page where you can watch videos, so all you do is click right here, and here are all the videos that's going to pop up. And I know that the amount is kind of low, but guys, if you watch all of these, it's going to add up, because you're going to have a lot of videos every day. Every day you're going to get a lot of videos to watch. So here's the tip you can do to maximize the amount of money you can make from these videos. Okay, so when you click on here, you can watch the video, and you can leave it running in the background. So you can do other things while this video is going. So you really don't have to actually watch the video. You just need it to be playing. Have it playing in the background. You can go to do whatever you want to on the computer, go to another website, look at some YouTube videos, or do something else. And after you finish that one, boom, go to the next one. Let it run in the background. And keep doing that for how many hours you would like to do it. And guys, you're going to make some good money on this. You're going to be able to cash out through PayPal, or if you want to get some gift cards. And again, if you want to make more money, you can just go ahead and click on one of these other offers and get the ball rolling, guys. So that's it, guys. That's all I want to say about this website. It's a very, very good website. It's been around for a while. And if you want to go ahead and start right now, go ahead and go to prizedr.com, sign up, and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, let me go ahead and tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Please type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right about now. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So go ahead and type that word in the comments below. Okay guys, one more thing before I get out of here. I want to go ahead and do a shout out. I'm trying to do this every video. So if you want to get a shout out, all you have to do is leave a creative comment down in the comments below. So today's shout out goes to this comment right here. Thank you for your comment. Appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep watching all my videos and share this video. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers, guys. All right. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys' support. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep growing. We're going to be the latest YouTube channel ever to talk about how to make money online. So let's keep growing. Let's go. We're going to the top. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these very, very interesting videos. Until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.